Let's look at the prepositions in, on, at. Manu's birthday is on Tuesday. Dash Mother's Day, I will give a nice present. On Mother's Day. The cricket match is dash 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. I get up dash the morning. In the morning. In the morning. The bell dash noon and students have lunch at noon. My father sometimes come home late dash night at nights. My parents are not here dash the moment at the moment. I am meeting my friend dash Tuesday on Tuesday. My parents will be back dash hour in an hour. See you dash at time. See you at dinner time.